Hi, I'm Katie, co-founder and director at Barn2 Plugins. For the last 4 years, I've been helping companies to create wholesale areas on their website using our software, and I've now created a free e-course to teach anybody else to do the same. The course is aimed at any company who needs to add a wholesale area to their existing website or to create a new wholesale website, and also at designers and developers who need to do the same. If you do this course, then you'll learn how to create a wholesale area for your website or a wholesale only store, which will look something like this. So you've got your wholesale products displayed in a quick order form layout where you've got special pricing which only wholesale users can see. You can add an unlimited number of wholesale roles, each with their own pricing, and you can choose whether each product is visible to wholesale customers, public customers, or both. It's really quick to buy wholesale products, and your main public store, if you have one, is unaffected. By the end of the course, you'll have all the skills you need to create a wholesale area for selling online without needing any technical expertise. I hope you enjoy the course.